going to make a calculator. So now we should go to thunkable and we should log in. I have logged in now. So here we should click the start building. After that, yes, I have named this project as calculator. So now we should select anything. So I'm selecting education. Okay, now let us start our project. Let's create. Yes, it is created. Here you can see our screen. So here first we should change the screen color to any color. I'm changing to orange, and I'm taking one label and I am keeping and I'm keeping it here. Yes. Now I am renaming the label as calculator. Yes, it is completed. Now I will change this size, and now I am changing its height. Yes, now we can see it is very nice, and we will keep it in center. Wait a minute. Size. Yes. Yes. Now we should add two text inputs. So here we can drag it and we are keeping here. Yes, wait a minute. Yeah, and another text input here. Yes, wait. And now we are going to change this type here hint to value 1. Yeah, here you can see there is a hint bar. Yeah, here we should change here we should change to value 1. Yes, and I'm going to change this text input into value 1. Now this text input do it as m, but here you should do value 2. But here you should give the value as value 2. Yes. And here also I'm changing it as value 2. Yes. After that, take a button and drag it here and keep. Like that, you should add 4 buttons. One. So we are doing calculator, so we should rename it as button as add. I am also changing it as add. Here also I'm changing it as add. Add. Like that, we should change all the buttons into subtract. Like that, we should change the buttons into basic operations like add, subtract, multiplication, division. Here I'm doing that. Yes, and I am also changing the If you want to change this button color, you can do it. I am changing it as, yeah, I'm leaving it as blue. And I'm going to change this subtractive color as orange. No, 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 already background this color is orange. So red, this one as green. You can keep any color, but I'm keeping these colors. This one as purple. Yeah, yes. After that, we should add one label because if we calculate that, if we want to calculate, the answer should be come in this last label. down label. Yeah, and it should not keep any text in that label. So I am doing it. Or we can keep as answer. I'm changing this label to as answer. Yes. Now we should go to blocks, and here we should do. We should first we should uh, select add button. Select add. Yes, here you can see first block when add is click. Yes, drag and drop this here. After that, go to yes, wait, yes, set labels text. Yes, drag and drop this block here. And now go to maths and select this one. Drag and drop it here. Now go to value 1 and wait, I will value 1's text. Drag and drop it here and add to this block. Yes. After that, go to value 2 and drag and drop the same block. Yeah. Now our addition button is ready. If you want to save your time, then copy this, duplicate. Yes, and yeah. Now change this add into subtract, and here plus is equals plus is minus. Change this plus into minus. Again duplicate it. Again select this as multiply your button name, and here change this minus into. Again duplicate it. Again change your button name into your division button name, and again change this into mark into division mark. Yes, finish. Our code is finished. Come on, let's try it. Let's check it. It is working or not. Okay, now you can see here a play button. So you should click on it. Yes, our app is ready. Now, now here I will enter 1 and 2. And now I will add it. You- Wait a minute. There is a problem in our code. Yeah, yeah. Here our we kept label, but it is answer. No, so we should change it to answer. Change it as answer. For all blocks, you should change it. Yes. After that, again go to design. Go to preview button. Click on it, and now it is ready. Yes. So I am entering 1 here 2, and I am setting that it is 3 correct. Subtract minus 1, it is also correct. Multiply 2 correct. Divide 0.5, yes, it is correct. Now I will enter 10, add 12, subtract 8, multiply 20, divide 5. So this is our project. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.